like them. Jamming on the beat. Serves me out and doing like them.
Hi guys. Hey, if you're new here, I'm Deb. And today I'm here with my Allure beauty box. If you're not familiar with Allure, it's $25 a month. And with that, you get 3 full-size items, and then I believe it's 3 to 4 sample size items, or deluxe size, whichever. And you can get $5 off your first box if you use my code below. But you can also reduce that cost by paying 3 months, 6 months, or annually. So that helps reduce a lot too. So anyway, this is one of those boxes I would get whether I had a channel or not. I would still continue to get this because I do like the box. They do have a higher value. Yeah. Okay, and here is what it looks like when you open it up. And I'll just take this off and show you what's inside. This is what it looks like when you open it up. Okay. Now, they usually have the higher, their products are usually the mid to high value range. If I'm saying that, I don't know if that's coming out how I'm trying to say it, but they're usually above drugstore brands. You don't get drugstore brands in here. You get a higher, I wouldn't say higher quality because some of the drugstore brands are very good. I would say the higher dollar value items. That's what I would say. Okay, and you get, we'll go through the full-size items first because frankly it's just easier for me. And I will put, sorry, I didn't mean to blind you. I will put the values on the screen and the links to the items in case you're just looking for the items. And then I will put up a total value for the box at the end. So let's just get started. Okay, the first thing I'm getting is Skin Ink Pore Deeper Hydrating Wash. Oh, it's Pure Deepsea Hydrating Wash. Hey, that was with the glasses, but see what they do? You really have to kind of jiggle it around to see it even, you know. They think that little dot will catch your eyes. Not really. Now, they think you're going to ask the woman at the counter, what would you recommend? And she's going to say their thing. Yes, I'm letting my hair grow back out. Everything that's been happening, I'm done. I'm done. But anyhow, this is what she looks like. And I'm going to open this up because I'm just nosy. Now, this is that hydrating mask. Now, I think this is one I read up on when I looked on the spoilers the other day. I was looking just because I was going to go ahead and get it ready. But I believe you're supposed to put this on and then you let it soak in for like 10 minutes and then you put your other stuff on. That's why it's a mask instead of a but they also said you could also do it before you went to bed and just go to bed with it on. So, that's probably what I will do. And it did have a safety seal. And that's what the tip looks like. So, let's just squeeze some of this. See, now it's a gel, as you can see. Okay. Okie dokie. And it's a gel moisturizer, which I haven't tried before, but I am willing to try, and I think that's going to be pretty good. So yeah, I'll put that beside my bed. Yep, there we go. Okay, that's the first thing. Then the second thing is Merit Lip Oil. And I believe this came in different colors, and I'm not sure which color I got. I'm not sure. You got to choose. This one you did get to choose. And you don't always get to choose things, but sometimes you do. So And usually it's just a shade or whatever. You don't get to choose the item, but you do get to choose your shade. So, and I got this shade, whatever it is, if you can see it with my, and I will try it on because I don't have anything on my lips now. I had lip oil on earlier. And if you see, it just gives you a slight tint. It's not a big tint, it's just a slight tint. But honestly, I like that. And it's not a big tint because, you know, there's no makeup days, you know. This is what it looks like on my hand. I don't know if you can see it. Right there. It is. There it is. Let me. Okay. Then we will go to our last full-size item, and it is. Let me check. I'm gonna have to read it with my glasses and then take them off. Okay, this is Megababe. Oh, Megababe. The Glow. Oh, the Glow deodorant. I thought it said the Glow died. Sorry. So sorry. Here, I can get that off there. There you go. And I'm going to open this because I want to smell it. Now, this does not smell like lavender, which was what I was afraid of. Most purple things come out as lavender. Now, I've never tried this deodorant. Now, it's got quite a bit in it. It's very large in size. I won't roll it up all the way. Oh, you can't roll it back down. We're not going to roll it up at all then. No, we're not going to roll it up at all then. But it's full to here. Or probably about here, I would say. Probably about here. And all the rest of it's full, but see, it's got a very wide top. So let's see. It really doesn't feel like you have anything on there. Oh, I see. I guess you can. Okay, try it now. There we go. Goes on. It feels kind of dry, actually, when you put it on. It doesn't feel like you've got... But this is a deodorant. It is not an antiperspirant. And I prefer an antiperspirant because I prefer to just stop the sweat before it starts. Stop the stink. Now, they do have... A lot of these places are going to... Oh, come on. Is this lit? Oh, there we go. Found the problem. Okay. There we go. I was like, what the heck? And it's white. Yeah, it feels like a normal deodorant, but it has like I would say like a eucalyptus scent. Yeah, no wonder I thought it was dry. Look what it did. I was trying to put it on with this. Well, no wonder. But yeah, it kind of has a eucalyptus scent to it. But I'm one of those ones, I just prefer to stop it before it starts. You know, yeah, they do have the all over body spray and all that, but I'm sorry, but if you're down there stinking that much, you might want to go to the old gyno. And then we got our, you know, our little thing. But yeah, I don't think it's supposed to stink down there. So you might want to have her checked. Okay, then we got this. This is 3 Ships Dewdrops. And it's moisturizing. What did I do is put to this? I think I put it right here. But let's see. I just happen to think maybe it's in the book. The prices are in the book. Oh, but I couldn't read them here either. Yeah, that is an overnight face mask, yeah. So I will put the prices on the screen. And this is the 3 Shipped Beauty Dewdrops and Mushroom and Kkakadu Plum Scalp Hyaluronic Acid Serum. This is a serum. And it looks like this, I forgot. It looks like that. And this is a serum. And I'll put it over here. And this and it kind of, it's definitely a serum. Jeez. And it comes out kind of like a gel type. Then and a little bit does go a long way on that one. You know, some serums you go and you rub them in and there's just not a whole lot to them. You know, they don't really have the oomph behind them that they need. And then we'll go to the Olaplex, because we got 2 different types of Olaplex. And I'm going to read in here what they are. This one is number 9. So, this is Balm Protector Nourishing Hair Serum. This is a serum for your hair, which is probably next to impossible for me to do because I'm really bad at that. But it does say, I've gotten this before, and it does say, you know, middle of your hair down to the roots to put it. That keeps it from, but I'll show you the consistency. I'm sure everybody wanted to know. And as you can see, it kind of spreads out on my hand, but it doesn't. So, and I would assume you just do it and just through your hair, but it says to do it on damp hair. So, and then we have number 6. Oh, number 4, sorry. And it's a bond smoother. So, and it says to use this on damp hair also. The same way, you put them on the same way. So if you want smooth heat protector, then I will just put this one on this side just for the, now this one, see how it comes out? So it's kind of a thick one. And just get it all over your hair. I would probably put it in my hands and then do that. They both smell very, very nice. They do smell very nice. And like I said, I would get this box regardless. I will put on the screen the total value of the box. And I know these leave for very short videos, but you know what to do. Like, subscribe. It costs you nothing, but it helps me a lot. Just remember, old people need love too. Bye.